Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I built this shed. So this is a Absco shed kit. I paid $350 for it. Overall, I was pretty happy with the product. The installation instruction was pretty good. I was able to follow the instruction and successfully get the whole thing built within a day. And the result was better than I expected. Now I am going to show you the installation process. The first step of installing your kit is obviously opening up the package and take every component out. Um, the package itself is pretty heavy, so I couldn't lift it up by myself. So I had to use a hand trolley to maneuver the package to get it home. So that's just a side note. According to the instruction, the first step is to pre-assemble the spliced channels. So you just join them at where they say join, and after you pre-assemble them, these channels are going to be the outer frame of your roof and wall panels. There are some very detailed instructions on how to put these channels together on um, Absco Shed's YouTube account. So I won't waste my time to talk about these here. Once I finish putting together all the channels, the next step will be to assemble the side walls of the shed. Basically, all these wall panels are pre-punched and labeled. All you have to do is put them in the correct order, one on top of another, and line up the pre-punched holes, and then use screws to secure them together. After that, the top and bottom part of the wall panel can then be inserted into the pre-assembled channels. You might have to use a rubber hammer to tap the bottom channel into place because some of the panels are a little bit difficult to go in. Once that's done, that's your first wall panel finished. You can put it away and repeat the same process for the side panels and the front panels and the roof. With all panels assembled, now it's the time to put them together to form the walls of the shed. My approach of doing this by myself is, as you can see, first stand up all the side walls and then get onto a ladder to screw them together, um, each corner by corner, um, and it worked really well for me. Next step is to install the roof. Luckily, this roof was not very heavy. I just lifted up by myself, put it into place, lined up the pre-punched holes on the roof panels, and drive the screws in and secured it into place. It was pretty easy. At the end, to finish it up, I put together the door panels and mount both doors into the existing pre-assembled door frame, and that was it. That's it for the shed build. Like I said at the beginning, I was quite happy with this kit, especially for only $350. There were some minor issues during the build though. For example, some of the pre-punch holes on the panels didn't punch through, and some of the panel alignments wasn't perfect. But I was able to get them solved myself rather quickly, so that wasn't a big problem for me at all. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.